Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've changed my background. I still have my vanity. I just am now facing the window because the lighting is way better this way. Hope you guys like it. I like it a lot more. I feel like you can see me more, and like for tutorials and makeup videos you'll see like the eye look better. So anyways, today's video we are going to be doing a wear test. So I'm going to be setting my eyebrow with translucent powder because I do this a lot and I feel like it's making my eyebrows last longer. But I always put a clear brow gel over the setting powder. I've never done the setting powder by itself. So today I'm going to be just doing the setting powder by itself, no eyebrow gel. So one eyebrow I'm going to do with setting powder, the other one I'm going to do without. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and I'll be right back to put the setting powder over it. Alright, so now I'm back with my eyebrows filled in. They don't look that great today. Anyways, so now I'm going to set this eyebrow with my Kat Von D translucent powder. I like this eyebrow better. So that's what I'm going to be setting it. So what I usually do is I usually just take my finger, or I'll take a sponge, but my sponge is dirty, so I'm going to take my finger and then I'm going to pat that onto my eyebrow. I pat it everywhere because the end of my eyebrows doesn't really have hair, so I have to draw that in. So I make sure I put powder there too because around my eyebrows tend to get very oily. So by the end of the day, usually my eyebrows start to fade out away, and so like there's no more like eyebrow left. So I'm just gonna let that sit for about 30 seconds. Usually when I do this, I'm usually setting the rest of my face with powder. So as I'm waiting for this to really work in my eyebrows, I'm usually brushing away the powder underneath my eyes and on my chin and right here. So but for today, we're just gonna pat that in. So I usually just leave it off for like a couple seconds. I don't really bake it into my eyebrows. So now that I let it sit on my eyebrows for like 30 seconds, I'm going to take this fluffy brush right here and I'm going to brush it away. I know it looks like it's not coming off, but it will. So we're going to keep brushing it away, and see how there's a little bit powder left here? We're just going to take our finger and just kind of smooth it into our eyebrows. And this doesn't ruin your eyebrow shape or anything like that. So I'm just going to pat it on. And also if you want to, you can always just spoolie your eyebrows back if you feel like your shape got messed up. So now I have this on my eyebrows and I have some powder on my face. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and brush away all the powder. It is now 9:40 in the morning. I'm going to be back in about 3 to 4 hours to check in on which eyebrow didn't fade away. So stay tuned. I am back. It is now 2:35 p.m. And as you can see right here, this eyebrow is the eyebrow that has no powder on it. And as you can see, it's starting to fade a little bit at the end. And this eyebrow with the powder on it, it's still pretty pigmented here. So this one's smudged off a little bit, but this one is still on. So far this eyebrow, like the front part hasn't faded, just the back part where I don't have hair there, I usually have to just draw it to myself. So this part's faded, but this one is still on, and I usually draw that in as well because I don't have hair there as well. But so far so good with both eyebrows. They're doing pretty good, both of them, except for this one with the no powder. It's just the tail part, but the front is really good on both of them. So I will check back in with you guys in about 4 hours. So I'll check back in like 6:30. I'll show you guys the final results of this test that I have, this theory. And anyways, this is what I have so far. They're both looking pretty good, but let's see in a couple more hours which eyebrow wins. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a couple hours. Alright guys, so I'm back from my last and final check-in. Now 7:54. I have to show you guys on my jumbo laptop here. It's 7:54 Eastern time. This is how my eyebrows look. This is the eyebrow with the powder, this is the eyebrow without the powder. So from afar they look pretty much the same, but my oils started to come in. As you can see, I'm shiny like here, I'm shiny here, I'm shiny on my eyebrows. So now I'm going to get a little closer for you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about. So here's the eyebrow without the powder. As you can see here, there's like a patch of space that the hair was filled in earlier, but now it's gone. And also at the tail is fading away. So from here to here I don't have hair, so I usually draw it in, but now it's gone because of the oil. And here the side with the powder, the tail is actually still there, and it's also all up here, just a little bit fading right here. But for the most part, the whole eyebrow is filled in. It just drives me so nuts when I don't have like my tail and my eyebrows, because I feel like my eyebrow doesn't look completed. So all in all, I think that they are both good, but I do still believe in setting my eyebrows with powder because I feel like it definitely keeps my oils from fading away the eyebrow pencil. And as you can see with this side, it's definitely faded away here and here. So I will definitely keep putting setting powder on my eyebrows, especially if you're oilier in this area. I think it's a great tip. But anyways guys, that is it for this video. I'm ready to take off my makeup, I'm ready to drink some tea, watch Netflix, put on a face mask, and I'm just ready to unwind and relax. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the video on Tuesday. Bye.